we are trying to find the dealer's price per gallon. So D is the dealer's price, and then you've got price per gallon, and that's represented as a letter P, variable P. All right, so let's write an equation. In a certain state, gasoline stations compute the price per gallon, P equals, in dollars, charge the pump by adding a 4% sales tax to the dealer's price. So here's the dealer's price, but they're going to add 4% to it. Now, this P represents price per gallon, and then they're going to add a gasoline tax of 18 cents per gallon. So that's just a 0.18 because, like I say, this is already price per gallon. And it says, which of the following gives the dealer's price per gallon, D, in terms of the price per gallon, P. So I need to solve this for D. So I've got P equals 1.04D, because it's understood to be a 1 there, plus 0.18. So that's P minus 0.18. I am isolating the variable D. And now I need to divide both sides by 1.04. So P minus 0.18 over 1.04 equal D. Now, is that an answer given? Yes, that's answer D.